The theory of narrative identity postulates that individuals form an identity by integrating their life experiences into an internalized, evolving story of the self that provides the individual with a sense of unity and purpose in life. This life narrative integrates one's reconstructed past, perceived present, and imagined future. Furthermore, this narrative is a story. It has characters, episodes, imagery, a setting, plots, and themes, and often follows the traditional model of a story, having a beginning, middle, and an end. Narrative identity is the focus of interdisciplinary research, with deep roots in psychology. In recent decades, a proliferation of psychological research on narrative identity has provided a strong empirical basis for the construct, cutting across the field, including personality psychology, social psychology, developmental and lifespan psychology, cognitive psychology, cultural psychology, and clinical and counseling psychology.